In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MetaTrader 5. We'll start right from the browser so this works whether you're on a Windows PC, Mac, or Chromebook. Open your preferred browser and search for MetaTrader 5. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, look for the official link that says MetaTrader 5 trading platform for forex, stocks, futures. Make sure the domain you're clicking is the official MetaTrader website. It's always a good idea to avoid ads or lookalike links and stick to the primary website for security and the most up-to-date version. Once you're on the MetaTrader 5 page, you'll see options to use the platform on different devices. You can download the desktop or mobile app if you prefer, but to keep things simple and fast today, choose the web terminal. The web terminal runs in your browser, so you won't need to install anything and it looks and feels very similar to the desktop version. If you plan to trade regularly, you might later install the app on your main device, but the web version is perfect for quick access or getting started. In the web terminal, you'll typically see options to connect to an existing account or to open a new demo account. If you already have an account through your broker, click Connect to Account. You may be prompted to select or search for your broker's server, then enter the login and password your broker provided. Having those details handy will save time. If you're on a shared or public computer, don't save credentials in the browser and make sure you're on a trusted network before you sign in. If you don't have an account yet, click Open Demo Account. A demo account lets you practice with virtual funds in real market conditions, which is perfect for learning the interface and testing strategies without risk. You'll be asked to add your name, an email you can access, and a mobile number. Use accurate details so you can receive important messages about your account setup if needed. Some brokers or services may send confirmations or updates, so providing reachable contact info is helpful. Next, choose the account type. This drop-down determines how the demo account behaves and may include options like different trading modes or parameters offered by the provider in the web terminal. If you're unsure, the default option is usually fine for learning the layout and placing test trades. You can always create another demo with different parameters later as you become more familiar with the platform. Before proceeding, you'll see a checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions for opening an account and the data protection policy. Take a moment to review them so you understand how your information is used and what you're agreeing to. When you're ready, check the box and click Open Demo Account. The system will generate your demo login. In many cases, the web terminal connects you automatically to this new demo. If not, you'll see the account listed and can select it to proceed. If you already had a demo account from before, simply click on that account in the list to highlight it. Then click Connect to Account. If you're prompted for credentials, enter the login details associated with that demo. After a brief moment, you should see the terminal connect. Watch for the connection status and price feeds updating on the screen. When quotes start moving and the platform shows no error messages, you're successfully logged in. From here, you're inside MetaTrader 5 and ready to explore the interface. You can view charts, watch the quotes panel, and familiarize yourself with the layout. If your goal is just to get logged in, you're all set. Remember to log out when you're finished if you're on a shared device, and keep your login details secure. That's the full process. Navigate to the official MetaTrader 5 site, open the web terminal, connect to an existing account, or create a demo by entering your basic details. Choose your account type, agree to the terms, and connect. Follow these steps and you'll be logged in quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.